Welcome back. Time for our daily holiday this morning. We are marking Nature Photography Day today. It is a day to promote the art and the science of nature photography. And I know this particular skill is very helpful in your profession, Bill. You use a lot of these kind of photos throughout your weather forecast.
Yeah, we do.
We live in such a beautiful area. And of course, we want to share some of your nature photos that you continue to share with us.
Yeah, our first one comes from Gwen in the Cross. Gwen caught a trio of ducks kind of rooting themselves on a log in the marsh.
We have another cool duck photo to pass along. This photo comes from Phil, who, by the way, happens to be a member of our morning crew. He took this photo at Riverside Park.
And Christopher from Prairie du Chien sent us a photo he calls ice fishing. Can
Yummy.
you see why?
Yummy.
Yeah, Christopher says that's a juvenile bald eagle kind of enjoying some lunch or dinner there.
Yeah. Our next nature photo was actually taken from inside somebody's house. Kathy from Black River Falls
It's
spotted
a peeping something.
Yeah, a peeping deer in her yard there.
And apple blossoms, of course, are featured in a nice photo from George in Onalaska.
Oh, wow.
George says the neighborhood bees were loving these blossoms.
I bet. Finally, this morning, a pretty sunset photo. Mark posted this on our Facebook page. Thanks to everybody who takes the time to share with us all these great photos that you capture. And so maybe today is the day to take some nature photos and share them with us. We would love to see them, and you can find us on Facebook. Just do a search for WKBT News 8000 and upload your photos there.